Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to promote affiliate links or affiliate product on Pinterest, guys. So if you are looking for how to promote your affiliate offer using Pinterest, then yes, this video is for you. In this video I'm gonna show you exactly how you can promote your affiliate links on Pinterest, guys. Right? But guys, before telling this, I just want to say that, guys, if you are a beginner and know nothing how to start your affiliate marketing business step by step, then down below I have put the link of my own ebook, that is Affiliate Commission Secrets. In that ebook I have revealed everything that you need to know to start your affiliate marketing business step by step. So go and read my ebook. Down below there is a link, right? So okay, now here without any delay, let me show you how to promote affiliate links on Pinterest, guys. Right? So okay, now here, as you can see that, guys, I have my, you can say, account with Pinterest, guys. So yes, if you don't have your account with Pinterest, then yes, I would highly recommend you go and create your Pinterest account, guys. This is very, very important, guys, right? So you can say this is the first condition that we need to fulfill, guys. Second thing, guys, I would say don't you can say promote your ugly looking and long looking affiliate link on Pinterest, guys. Don't promote this, guys. Instead, I would say use custom domain to promote your affiliate link, guys. As in my case, my custom domain is www.digitalaffiliatebusiness.com. So this is my, you can say, custom domain, guys, that I'm using to promote my affiliate offer, guys. Right? So don't use your direct affiliate link, guys. Again, I'm telling you, don't use your direct affiliate link to promote your affiliate stuff, guys. Use custom domain, guys. Right? Don't worry, I will show you that that how you can promote your affiliate link using custom domain, guys. Right? By the way, if you don't know how to use custom domain to promote your affiliate link, then down below I have put the link of my training where I have shown that how you can use custom domain, guys. Right? So guys, now here, what you need to do, guys, simply, guys, can you see that create pin? So here I'm saying that you are having your own Pinterest account and then convert your account to business, guys, right? So as in my case, this is my business, guys, right? So now here, can you see that create pin? By the way, you can see that, guys, there are 13 link clicks and 2.6k impression, guys, right? And 5 saves, guys, and monthly viewers. Yep, you can see that, guys, here. Yep, can see that monthly viewers 1.7k, guys. This is free traffic, guys. This is free traffic. I'm not you can say giving any ads to promote my stuff. This is free you can say free traffic that I'm getting from Pinterest, guys. Understand this. You need to be there where your ideal customer hang out all day long. So yes, my audience is also on Pinterest, guys. Right? So yep, you need to use every platform, guys, that is available for you free, guys. If you don't have money to invest on you can say ads, then yes, use all the free platform, guys, like Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, or yep, Pinterest, right? So use every platform, guys, right? And be consistent on every platform in providing valuable content, guys. But guys, here one thing to note, that if you're a beginner, then yes, I would say pick one platform initially. Pick one platform and master it. So yep, it can be YouTube or Facebook or Pinterest or Twitter, LinkedIn. It's up to you, guys. Pick one platform and master it, guys. Right? This is my, you can say, share advice to you guys. Right? Don't try to learn every traffic source. This is the blunder mistake I see that most people do, that they try to learn every traffic source. Come on, guys, don't do that. By the way, if you want to know that how to get traffic, then there is a book, guys, called Traffic Secrets book by Russell Brunson. You can go and read that book. It is a great book, guys, right? Down below I have put the link. You can go and check out, right? So okay, now here, without any delay, let me show you. So okay, now here, again, I'm assuming that you have your Pinterest account. So guys, what you need to do, can you see that create pin? So here, click on that, and wherever your, you can say, eye-catching picture that you have, here you can use the picture of you can say the product that you are promoting. the affiliate product that you are promoting. So I'm just showing you the example. So in my case, I have the picture of the product that I'm gonna promote. So as you know that guys, I'm promoting one funnel away challenge, so I'm just gonna pick that picture. So this image is too small. Okay, so I'm gonna pick okay, let's okay, now that's okay. So now add title. So I'm just gonna one, or I can say join one funnel away challenge, right? And here I need to just give a description. In this training, you are going to learn how to start only build online business step by step, so you can sell your own product using sales funnel. Simple guys, right? Now add all text. Here I can add tags like online business, work from home, and affiliate marketing, passive income. So guys, you can use as many tags as you want. Now guys, here can you see that add destination link? So guys, now here guys, don't use your direct affiliate link guys. Here I would recommend you please use your custom domain link. So as in my case, it is www.digitalaffiliatebusiness.com. so here I'm gonna use this one, digitalaffiliatebusiness.com/. So guys, now here I'm gonna use my OFA training, right? So this is my link guys, right? So /OFA training, right? So guys, now here what next? Simply guys, can you see that publish guys? Hit that button, publish. That's it guys, right? So guys, now you know guys that how to promote your affiliate links on Pinterest guys. So guys, if someone like see it now, if someone come and see my, you can say this Pinterest post and click on that, can you see that guys? And then that very person will be redirected to my, you can say, affiliate offer that I'm promoting guys, right? So guys, as you can see that guys, so this is the page guys that I'm using to promote my affiliate offer, right? So you can see, so if someone lands on this page and click on that button where I'm promoting my one funnel away challenge, so yep, if he or she decides to buy this training, then yes, I will be making commission guys, right? By the way guys, again I'm telling you that guys, if you are serious guys, then yes, I would highly recommend you please do this training at least for once guys. This is the training from Russell Brunson, who has more than 15 years of experience about this online industry. So whatever he is going to teach you in this training, that is proven to work. So don't miss this opportunity to learn from world's best coach in the world guys, world's best marketing coach or sales funnel coach in the world guys. Don't miss this opportunity, right? So down below I have put the link, you can go and check out guys, right? So again, now here, right? So that's the way guys, right way to promote your affiliate links on Pinterest guys. Again guys, don't use your direct affiliate link guys. This is not the right way. Use your custom domain link. And yes, be more active on Pinterest guys. keep providing more valuable content on Pinterest, right? More eye-catching, you can say, pics that you can upload, or you can say post on Pinterest, guys. So overall idea is that be more consistent, be more active on Pinterest, guys, right? Regularly keep uploading some good content, and slowly you will see that you are getting momentum, you are getting traffic, right? So guys, that's it, guys, right? So yep, now exactly you know that what's the right way to promote affiliate links on Pinterest. And yes, if you have any questions, then you can ask your question down below. I will try my level best to answer you guys, right? And yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please go and subscribe to my channel, and down below there is also bell notification button. Go and hit that bell notification button so that you can get the notification about my upcoming training that are related to affiliate marketing, right? So yes guys, thank you so much for watching. Love you and have a nice day. Bye bye.